get my friend.
When did you come? Are you serious? I was in the kitchen. Hope you are going to eat with me.
No.
Are you sure?
I've already eaten. I'm full already. If you see what
Today again. Each time you come here, you wouldn't want to eat with me. What is happening?
So if you see what I ate, plenty.
Just a spoon.
I am not hungry. I've eaten.
If you say so, let me go and get water.
Okay.
This is the best opportunity for me to poison her and end it all. Let me just kill her and get her off my way. She just can't continue taking my favor. Men prefer her over me. Any man that comes my way will end it up with her. Is it because she's prettier than me? Let me kill her. Where did I even hide the poison? I can't continue carrying this poison all the time.
Okay.
Sorry for wasting your time there.
No problem. The aroma.
I will eat without you.
Yes.
I'm eating my food.
I'm eating the aroma already.
Ify, are you sure? Are you sure you'll not take one spoon?
No, don't worry.
I'm eating now.
No, I don't want to eat it. The aroma is very, very. And
You like the aroma, but you do not want to have
no,
the
you
taste.
know you're a good cook, but I don't want to eat.
Okay.
I'm already full.
Let me eat my food if you say so.
Hi, Jai. Okay, what is it?
I don't know. I felt kind of sensation on my hand. I don't know.
Sensation.
But I was the person that.
You know, the food is hot. You just finished cooking it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's why.
I don't really know what is.
What happened? I don't know. Like,
If it. I'll confess what now? What are you saying?
okay. I'll confess.
What? What is happening?
Your food.
Did what? If you say something now, what is it?
I poisoned your food.
Is it? It's again. Ninkem. If you, what did I do that made you do this?
Please, forgive me.
You have not said anything. Say something. What have I done to you? Ninkem. The food that I cooked myself. If you, what did I do to you now?
Like, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You have not said anything. Say something. Why did you do this?
I was jealous of you.
Jealous.
I was jealous of you.
Talk now. And you wanted to take a life you did not create. Ify.
I am sorry. Each time we are going out, men will be stopping you, giving you gifts.
And so?
And you have so many good things that I did not have. It's like I'm cursed. I was just jealous. I'm sorry.
Ify. And that is enough for you to take a life you did not create, Ify.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? And I took you like my own very sister. Ify, sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna leave me, please. I'm sorry.
Adam the boy. Ada Nwachukwu nyelu uche nwa nwere amamife onye nkuzi dị na-akụzili anyị fe ada